Once you have read each scenario, if I had to do something like this, it would have taken me 2 to 3 days to prepare. I can do this in one planning period now. You're gonna try to match the virtue with the example.
It's pretty exciting walking into this class every day because you never know what you're gonna learn.
Are you forced to follow the laws? Yes. Yes. You got students over there drawing and thinking about responsibility and civic duty by creating a project, creativity. The idea itself came from myself, but AI was the one who helped me print out the derivatives. And in fact, it actually helped me create one of the stations on how to actually execute the component as well. That's gonna require you all to put your heads together to think about.
Yeah, I feel like it makes learning easier and also makes us more engaged with our learning than just our teacher lecturing us every day.
It's so much fun to watch.
That's a paradox.
They're fun to watch because it gets the kids involved and it shows what they know. And if they don't know something, they're learning really quick.
Think about those responsibilities. So I was using Copilot, but I'm transitioning now to ChatGPT, and so it's kind of like a variation of two, but I do like the ChatGPT a little bit much better because it's tailored towards teachers. It's teacher friendly, it's teacher made. But what if I have a student that needs extra support? Well, AI can provide that extra support for me. It makes my time consumption less.
Because within these lessons, they're very interactive and they're more to everyone's learning. And you can really put your thoughts in there and connect to the assignments and the activities.
It comes up with anything that we might not think of.
I do understand how people might perceive that it might take jobs away, it might impact their careers. However, just like any other technology, modification comes with it. And as teachers, we know how much work you have a day, that when you have a personal assistant there that can help you, you still have to vet it, you still have to put the human part of it, but it's modifying it and making it so it's easier for you in your teaching. And the thing is, sometimes AI might not be perfect, but here's where I come in as the human and fill that gap in between the two.